Hello guys, so today we are going to discuss Hello World application and CSS. So I'm not going to create a day 3 project. I already created a day 3 project in my particular locations which I am referring in earlier videos also. So if you want to learn like how to create the project, you can go and check my previous video, so you will be able to get that. Okay, so today we are going to discuss those two like app.html and app.cs file, which is the default app component we are getting, and we are going to change some HTML things, and then we'll apply some CSS, and we want to see like how it's look like. Okay, so let's go to the particular day 3 project which I have created. So I'm maintaining this as a day 3 today. So let's run the project first. I need to open the cmd command first, and in my cmd command I need to be focused particular the drive which my project is existing, right? So it is in the F drive. In the F drive we have the Angular folder, Angular 20 folder. So cd Angular 20. In the Angular 20, what is the project we have created? Day 3. So cd day 3. Day 3 is our project. So for running the Angular project, we have some command, right? So what is that command? ng serve. So once you will hit this ng serve, it is going to launch our application in the browser, and it will use some default port which is like 4200, and then we'll see like how need to be changed the CSS and how need to be applied the like our component. So it is building first, and then it will run the app. So this is the default port which we know, right? So we'll run this, and you will be able to see one page which is the default page. They're having some default code, right? So what we can do, we can go to the src folder first, and in the src folder we have this app component. In the app component we have these two required files which we need to be used today. So we have this HTML. In this HTML app.htmls we have some existing code. First we can delete this code because we are not going to utilize this code. We can write our own code here. So what we can do, we can take some heading tag here, and inside the heading we can write some message. Like I'm writing welcome to coding framework. Okay, so first we'll check this like it is working fine or not. So once you will like refresh your page, then it is going to be display your static text which you want to be show it here, right? So now next things like how we can like apply the css for this, because we having the separate app.css files. So you will be thinking like, why, what is that app.css file, right? This is like see, you have the multiple component inside this src folder, and if you want to apply some css on the component level, right, that time we are going to utilize this like app.cs, or if you having about component, then about.cs. So right now we are focusing on this app.html, then we need to be write some css inside this app.cs. So what I can do, I can have h2. I will be writing some css code here to show you like how to apply the css for this. So we have the h2 tag, right? So for h2 tag I'm going to write some css. Like I can take some color, so I can take like red is my favorite color, and then I can take some text align. Not text decorator, not text. I need to take text align. Text align. I can take center, and we can have the multiple things, right, for the css. So only just I won't take much time to be show this. I need to show some important things, right? So it is going to be apply or not. So see here, right, you will be able to see the like our css is getting applied on this component, right? So if you want to take some size also, right? So in the css you can say font size like 100 pixel px. Okay, we'll see it is increasing or not. See here. So that's it for today. So tomorrow actually we are going to discuss like how to create the new component, and then after that we'll see how to create our own component, like custom component. So this is the like plan I have, which is like I need to be go for the next. Okay, so please, if you like my videos, please subscribe and see my videos. Thank you.